Hi friends, I am Madhyalagan, Department of Commerce with Computer Applications, Dr. SNS College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. Today I have explained for my subject in cyber law and data production and commerce in consumer productions, e-commerce. So consumer production e-commerce. So what is consumer productions in e-commerce? So consumer production in the e-commerce refer to the laws and right the safeguard of online buyer from the unfair practice, frauds, or exploitations during the online shopping or digital transactions. So this is we have a use for the consumer productions. I have a purchasing on the online buying and it's a fraud and during the online shopping or digital transactions everywhere it is the consumer data and the consumer product is the production for the e-commerce platform. They have a refer to the law and rights of safeguard of online. Why it is the important? It is the in e-commerce buyer cannot the physical see or check the product before the purchase. So laws are needed to ensure the product quality and fair pricing, protect against online fraud and fake sellers, creative refunds or replacement in the product or defective. This is the we have used for the consumer productions and e-commerce. So ensure the product quality. First off, you have an online processing for one the consumer. Ensure the product quality first and fair the pricing. Second one is the online fraud and fake sellers is the product for against the products of e-commerce. And we have a purchasing for the some of the product or refund or return or replacement in the product of a defect. So this is all our e-commerce we have a provide but cannot physically see. First we have to check the product and purchase. So this rule we have a important for in e-commerce platform for consumer production. Next one is the consumer production e-commerce. Key consumer right in the e-commerce. For example, right to informations. You must be told the product price, futures, delivery items, terms and stocks. Right to size. You should have access to the wide range of the product and brands. And right to safety. And product must be safe and not humble. So next one is the right to redressal. So you have a full and compliant and get a refund or replacement. Right to privacy. Your personal data should be protected. This is the always key consumer of right to a product. For example, of you must be the told the product price in the mention in the e-commerce platform, and then the futures and then delivery times, the terms of condition we have a right to RTI, we have information. So choose you whoever choose for this wide range of the product and brands, this type of a key consumer of right to in e-commerce platform, this all types. So next one is the common issue in the e-commerce. So wrong product delivery, no delivery after the payment, fake review or misleading ads, hidden the charge, and then return and refund the problem, and then data privacy branches. This is the all type of used for the common issue in the e-commerce. So consumer production law in India. So consumer production e-commerce rules 2020 under the Consumer Production Act 2019 is provided for the clear rule for the online seller and marketplaces. For example of Amazon, Flipkart, Reliance Smart, and then access of online e-commerce platforms. So this is the mandatory and transparency in the pricings and return policies and seller details we have noted in the consumer production in the law. And then grievance redress systems with the nodal officers. It is the penalties for the misleading ads, false promises, or fake product. This is the we have a used of the consumer protections and the e-commerce law. It is the act as in the 2019. It is the provided under F 2020. So example of you order a mobile phone online but receive a used or damaged product. You can file a complaint on the platform or go to the consumer forms. As per the law, you are the entitled to a refund or replacement. This is the common usage for consumer protection in the e-commerce. Thank you.